Here's a bike we just purchased. 2009 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. It's a good looking red. It's got 38,000 miles. Original paint. It's got some Vance & Hines mufflers. It's had luggage rack put on the tour box. All the original vinyl, seat, backrest, all looks real good. It's got speakers on the back for the passenger. So this bike would have AM, FM, CD player, intercom system, and also CB radio. All that built into the radio. All the gauges up on the dash, speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, voltmeter, oil pressure, air temperature, all that stuff's all there. It's had a windshield bag put on it right there. It's a 96 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. Looks like the engine's all stock. It's got the stock airbox, got fairing lowers, highway pegs. It's had a later model Street Glide front wheel put on it, which looks real nice. We put a brand new front tire on it. It's got LED headlights, spotlights, dark smoke windshield, which really accents that dark red row. Coming down this side, everything looks just as good. No scrapes, all the paint's real good. We done a service to it, so it's got fresh fluids. Let's look at the miles, so we know exactly what it's got. 38,676. Pretty good miles actually for a 2009 model. Got tinted turn signal lenses on the back, Vance & Hines mufflers. Looks good. Make somebody a real nice touring bike. It's for sale at Jaeger Cycle. Come check it out.